Hello, my name is Dr. Jennifer Smith. I'm here today on behalf of Dr. Kuhn and Golden Period. Today, we would like to focus on the following: the importance of baby talk. What exactly is baby talk, and why is it important in the life of your baby? When your baby babbles at you, and then you babble back without speaking direct words or vocabulary, this is baby talk. Baby talk is such an important form of communication between you and your child. It's a process of first teaching your child to engage in meaningful conversation in the most simplistic and unique forms. It's extremely important that when your baby babbles, gurgles, and coos at you, that you communicate back by speaking to them with a gentle, sweet voice while looking into their eyes to let them know that you are actively listening and engaged. Directly focusing and responding lets them know that they are being both heard and acknowledged, even as babies. Also, if you want to immediately create a strong bond with your newborn baby, baby talk is an action that should begin the moment that you bring your baby home from the hospital after birth. Time should be spent with your baby each and every day for several hours, not only caring and nurturing them, but speaking to them in a language of baby talk that helps them to begin the first stages of understanding the environment around them. Each time your baby calls your attention by babbling their own version of baby talk, you must always respond back to them so they will know that they are safe, loved, nurtured, and acknowledged. Without your immediate response, your baby will subconsciously learn that their baby talk, just like the words of an older child, does not matter, thus bringing forth a poor parent-child relationship, which will be difficult to mend as your child grows. You might wonder if your baby is even aware that they are being heard through the process of baby talk. Yes, your baby will most definitely tell whether or not they are being listened to or ignored, even if they are younger than 1 year of age or even 6 months of age. One of the worst things that you can do is to ignore your child's baby talk. By ignoring their babbling, it creates anxiety and stress, even if your child is less than a few months old. Because baby talk is their only way to communicate with you, to express their needs and feelings, when you don't respond to their babbling, they immediately pick up signals that they are not valued, being heard, or cared for. Yes, even at this young age. It's important for you to know that baby talk also helps to develop your child's brain. When your baby coos, babbles, gurgles, and makes sounds to get your attention, these are actually your baby's first formulation of language development. Without the development of baby talk, your child's speech, language development, and communication skills may be delayed. Therefore, when your child is engaged with baby talk with you, other adults, or older siblings, your communication back to them plays a vital factor as to whether they learn to properly speak at an appropriate age, or if their speech and language will be challenging for them because no one responded to them when they were attempting to communicate as babies. It's important to look directly at your baby in their eyes when they are communicating with you. As you are communicating back to them, they are closely watching the movement of your lips and the sound of your voice, along with your facial expressions. This verbal and nonverbal communication helps your child gradually formulate words, as their brain cells are also enhanced and stimulated with each word spoken. The more your baby is engaged in baby talk, the faster their brains learn to formulate words, and the faster they learn how to speak appropriately. With each developmental stage of your baby's life, there are target dates that they will achieve as baby talk helps engage their brain. Number 1, by the time your baby is 3 to 4 months of age, your child will have no idea of the meaning of words, but sounds, especially the sound of your voice, will be a huge factor in helping them move to the next stage of communication of baby talk when they are 5 to 6 months of age. Number 2, by the time your baby is 6 months of age, and if you've spent a lot of time with them, allowing them to hear the sound of your voice, they will gradually transition to babbling, gurgling, and cooing stage. They still won't understand the meaning of your words, but the more time you spend with them, the faster their baby talk will be developed into true speech and vocabulary. Number 3, by the time your baby is between 8 to 11 months, they will begin to understand extremely simple words like yes and no. Once again, these simple words are learned because of the sounds, voices, and constant communication you've provided daily. Number 4, the most exciting form of baby talk is developed at this next stage, which is between 12 to 18 or 19 months. By this age, your child will learn how to say mama or dada. For most parents, this is the ultimate joy of experiencing baby talk from your child. Number 5, by the time your child is almost 2 years of age, they should know some form of meaning behind their baby talk. For example, they will understand that bye-bye means that a person is leaving. They also have the capability to understand one of the most important words in the life of a child, mine. As your child grows from an infant to age 3, baby talk is crucial in their language skills development. Please know that each baby is different in regards to their learning cycles. The information that we've shared with you today with the target dates for your child's baby talk is common for most babies, but not all. Once again, each child is different. Their brains will be developmentally impacted based on how much time you spend and engage with them. The more time you spend communicating with them, the faster their language skills will be developed, starting from their own personal experiences of baby talk to formulate words and then sentences as they grow, age, and mature into their own little beings.